Okay, so this exercise is a seated quick feet, forward, forward, back, back. Okay, so notice how I'm going 1, 2, forward, 1, 2, back, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay, and I want you to notice how I'm resting my hands on top of my legs. Okay, that is forcing my core to have to work harder. Okay, so after we go left, right, then we're going to go right, left. Okay, so we just do all of them left, right, however many reps we need there. And then we move to the other side, and do them that way. Okay. So the other way you can do this is hold on to the chair or the bench, and you'll notice that makes it just a little bit easier so that your core is not having to work quite as hard. It's not having to stabilize quite as much. So whichever way feels better for you, go ahead and try both ways and see which one feels the best for you. But go out, give this a try, and make it a great day.